Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss biodiversity or biological diversity. The term biodiversity was given by Walter G. Rosen. What is biodiversity? There are large number of organisms on this earth. There are huge number of species on this earth, and all these species are unique in itself, and this uniqueness make the basis of biological diversity. इस अर्थ पे ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज प्रेजेंट है, ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रेजेंट है, एंड ऑल दीज लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म show variation from one another, so differences from one another, and these differences make the biodiversity. And these differences we can see in shape, size, number, color, habitat, geographical distribution, morphology, anatomy, physiological processes like the nutrition, respiration, movement and locomotion, reproduction, skeletal system, circulatory system, that means transport, excretion, nervous system, sexes, digestion. In all respects, all the organisms show variation, show the differences, and these differences make the biodiversity. Clear? So shape of the organism also vary. We can see elongated, rectangular, circular, oval, irregular, slipper-like, bell-like, spring-like, comma-like organisms. Clear? So different shape of the organisms. Size may vary microscopic to very huge body size. Microscopic size of the bacteria, certain algae, fungi, they are microscopic, cannot be seen by the naked eyes. हम इनको naked eye से नहीं देख सकते. They are microscopic. Their size is very very less. On the other hand, huge body size organisms like the giraffe, camel, blue whale, elephant. Clear? So body size also vary. Number of organism in a species may be very large, may be very less. Clear? And the organism may be unicellular or multicellular. Their body may be made up of one cell like the protozoans, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, chlamydomonas, all these are the unicellular, and the multicellular organism, all the animals. Clear? So number of cells in the body may be one or more than one, and the number of organism in a species may be very less or may be very large. Clear? So they also vary in number. Cell organization may be also differ, may be prokaryotic, primitive type of cell, simple cell, or maybe eukaryotic cell, advanced type of cells. Color also vary. In butterflies, many colors are seen. In flowering plants, flowers are many color, and insects many color. So they also show the variation in color. Habitat means what? The place where organism lives is the habitat of that organism. Organism जहाँ पे रहता है वह क्या है? उसका habitat है. So habitat may be terrestrial or aquatic. Terrestrial means land पे. Clear? So land पे भी क्या हो सकता है? Fossorial मतलब क्या? That is the burrowing. बिल के अंदर है, जैसे हमारा अर्थवॉर्म है ना, रैबिट है. कर्सोरियल है, that is the fast runner है, जैसे हॉर्स है, डियर है. स्कैंसोरियल है, मीन्स ट्रेवलिंग करता है, रेंग करके चलने वाला है, जैसे वॉल लिजर्ड्स है. अर्बोरियल है, पेड़ पे रहता है, ट्रीज पे, लाइक द मंकी. एरियल है, एयर में रहता है, लाइक द बर्ड्स. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेरेस्ट्रियल हैबिटेट. Aquatic habitat may be marine, may be fresh water. Marine means ओशियन में है कि सी में है. फ्रेश वाटर पॉन्ड में है, वेल्स में है, कैनल्स में है, तो फ्रेश वाटर भी हो सकता है ऑर्गेनिज्म. अगर एक्वेटिक है तो फ्री फ्लोटिंग ऑन द सरफेस हो सकता है, वाटर बॉडी के सरफेस पर फ्लोट करने वाला ऑर्गेनिज्म हो सकता है, जैसे कि जू प्लैंक्टन्स है या नेक्टोन्स है, मिडल ऑफ द वाटर बॉडी प्रेजेंट हो सकता है, लाइक द मोस्ट ऑफ द फिशेस है. बेंथोस है, प्रेजेंट ऑन द बॉटम ऑफ द वाटर बॉडी, लाइक द स्टार फिश है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट. नेक्स्ट, जियोग्राफिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ऑर्गेनिज्म ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में है कि टेम्परेट में है कि एल्पाइन में है, प्लेन रीजन में है कि डेजर्ट में है कि माउंटेनियस रीजन में है, वाइल्ड टाइप का है कि डोमेस्टिक टाइप का एनिमल है. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द जियोग्राफिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आल्सो वेरी. मॉर्फोलॉजी मीन्स एक्सटर्नल अपीयरेंस, हाउ द ऑर्गेनिज्म लुक्स, उसका शेप क्या है, साइज क्या है, कलर क्या है. ठीक है, ये भी वेरी करता है. एनाटॉमी, इंटरनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसा है उसका, टिश्यूज है कि ऑर्गन है कि ऑर्गन सिस्टम, ग्रेड ऑफ बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. ठीक है, दैट्स आल्सो डिफरेंट एनाटॉमी. सो ऑल दीज आर द डिफरेंसेस मेक द बायोडाइवर्सिटी. See the physiological processes like the nutrition may be autotrophic or heterotropic. Autotrophic nutrition, organism can produce self food, that is by the process of photosynthesis, like the green plants, or certain chemo autotrophic bacteria, iron bacteria, hydrogen bacteria, sulfur bacteria, nitrogen bacteria. They are chemoautotrophs. So they are the autotrophic organism. They can produce their own food. Next, heterotrophic organism depends on other living organism for their food. They may be herbivores, primary consumer. They may be carnivore, secondary consumer. They may be omnivores, tertiary consumer. Clear? So different type of heterotrophic mode of nutrition also. They may vary in respiration, maybe aerobic respiration, in presence of oxygen they respire, or they may respire in absence of oxygen, anaerobic respiration. They may have locomotory structures, they are motile or they may not motile. If they are motile, may be present cilia, flagella or limbs, forelimb, hind limbs. Clear? Reproduction, may be sexual reproduction or asexual reproduction. If asexual reproduction, many more types like fission, multiple fission, binary fission, spore formation, fragmentation, regeneration, vegetative propagation, plasmotomy, budding. Okay, so there are many types of asexual reproduction. Okay, skeletal system may also vary, that is exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Skeletal system may be present on the body surface or may not be present. Endoskeleton may be made up of bone or may be made up of cartilage. That's so also differences. Circulatory system or transport system may also vary, closed type or open type. Excretion also vary. Organism may be a monotelic, excrete out ammonia, may be ureotelic, excrete out urea, may be uricotelic, excrete out uric acid. Nervous system may be primitive or complex type. Primitive type nervous system in case of coeluroids and complex type nervous system in case of mammals we can see. Sexes may also separate, unisexual or bisexual. Clear? Digestion may also different, intracellular digestion or intercellular digestion. Clear? So all these differences in all respect make the biodiversity. Clear? And there are about 1.7 to 1.8 million species present on this earth. Means such number of species are discovered till date. Clear? And still 92% biota of inaccessible area of mountain, forest, desert, depth of ocean is still waiting for their identification and nomenclature. अभी भी 92% बायोटा अपने नॉमेनक्लेचर के लिए, डिस्कवरी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? और जो भी डिस्कवर्ड वैल्यू है वो क्या है, 1.7 to 1.8 मिलियन स्पीसीज है. क्लियर? सो वी कैन सी देयर इज द ह्यूज biodiversity on this earth. See here, largest phylum, that is the Arthropoda and class Insecta. This is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Second largest phylum, that is the Mollusca.